Hey, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I like to unbox things, all sorts of things. I also like to vlog vacations and I like to vlog and review food, restaurants all over the world. And generally, they're high-end restaurants. So, I mean, I love doing that. It's my passion. So, today I have for you the Walking Dead Spring Supply Drop Box. This is a quarterly box. I don't remember what the cost is. I think it's around $50. I will put it on the screen. Why do I always forget to look that up before I sit down? Who knows? Anyway, just a couple of quick disclaimers. I do have a giveaway going on. I will link that down below. And I also have an announcement for a future giveaway. I will also link that down below. Also, next month is my birthday month, and we'll see how uploads go. So, I want to say something about these people. Not these people, but the customer service for this box. They are absolutely horrid. I cannot tell you how much misinformation that we got. I am getting this box. So this is old news by now, I'm sure. I mean, maybe some of you don't even know what this box is. But for people that do know what this box is, it's old news. Everybody else got their box anywhere between mid-March and mid-April. Most people got their box in mid-March. People that signed up a little later got theirs towards mid-April. We just got ours Saturday. And we had so many communications with customer service, and they just kept feeding us false information, and it almost got to the point where we canceled. We were told in March, well, we were told when we got the winter box, we were told that we would get the spring box a little late. But what we were told was we would be charged, most people were getting charged the first week of March, and they would be getting their box the second week of March. But because of semantics of when we signed up, instead of just skipping the winter box, they charged us and sent it to us. Because of that, we were told that we would get charged for this box on the 1st of April. And then by the second week of April, the box would be sent out. We're like, cool, fine, not a problem. The 1st of April rolls around and no charge. So my husband messages them or emails them, and we're like, hey, we were supposed to be charged for the spring box today, and we weren't, and we were just kind of curious, what's going on. And that person then told my husband, well, you will be charged by the end of this week, by the end of the first week of April. So we're thinking Friday, because it's a business day, we would be charged no later than Friday, and then we would get the box the following week. So Friday rolls around, and they didn't take the payment out. We messaged again, or he emailed them again, and he's like, hey, you guys have not charged me for my supply drop box. What's going on? They just ignored us. Like, they completely ignored us. And whoever this Jessica person is, I hope she loses her job. She just completely ignored us, my husband. So between Friday and the following Wednesday, my husband emailed this Jessica person 2 or 3 times and zero answer, like absolutely zero answer. So I told him, I'm like, well, let's open up another claim. I will email them from my email address, and I will open up a separate claim, a different customer service representative. And I did, but they never answered me back. I sent a somewhat scathing email. I mean, it wasn't too bad, but I was just letting them know that we were severely disappointed, and that we really loved the first box that we got and we would hate to cancel, but that we have been ignored. And if someone would please get back to me and let me know what's going on, or, you know, pick up communication with my husband, because he's the one that you guys originally, you know, started talking to, and nobody has. So I actually never got an email back. Never. But he got an email back the next day, and they didn't say anything to him about, hey, your wife contacted us and we're sorry for the miscommunication or anything like that. They just said, and now, by now we're into the end of the second week of April. And they said, well, I don't know why Jessica told you that, or why anybody of any nature told you that, because there's a certain billing date that we have to abide by, something about 40 days or something. I'm not entirely sure about that, but they said you will be charged by the end of this week, which is now into the end of the third week of April. You will be charged, and then the next week you'll get your box. It was really weird. I don't know. I felt it was kind of rude. So anyway, the third Friday into April, we are getting charged for this box that we should have been charged for 3 weeks prior. Then, you know, they said you'll get your box by the end of the next week, and we kind of did. I mean, we got it. It was sitting on our porch on Saturday. So that is that. That is my rant. I'm sorry that took so long. But that is that, and I am going to now get into what you guys came here for, and is the Walking Dead supply drop box for spring. All right. I'm sorry that took so long. I just had to get that out. So I open it up, and it looks like this. Oh, I would also like, where was it? Hold on. Oh, on the top here, it has kind of like a little map to Georgia, so I thought that that was cool. And on the top it says, sanctuary for all community, for all those who arrive, survive. And on the inside it says, no sanctuary. Let me see if I can. No sanctuary, and the rest of it's all scratched out with blood. So I open it up. Ooh, I'm dropping everything. So I open it up, and this is what I see. So I'm going to pull off the top here, this. And on the back, I believe it shows you everything that's in the box. So I am not going to look at that in detail because I want to kind of be surprised. But this box is also not broken down into like individual prices, because I think everything is unique to this box subscription only. So like you can't get this stuff anywhere else. So it's just one cost. So the first thing I am pulling out here is a tube. And I'm gonna take that lid off and dig my little fingers in here. Oh, it looks like it is. It's a 3D poster. You may or may not be able to see that. I'm not sure. But it comes with little 3D glasses here. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, that is so rad. Sorry, you can't see that. You couldn't see it, but that is so rad. Right on. Oh, shit. That is also 3D. You can't see. I don't know why I'm showing you. You can't freaking see that. But that's so cool. Oh, and look in the back. Those are, I guess, some of Negan's people. That is so cool. I am excited for that. Oh, okay. Let me take those back off. All right. Ooh, now I'm blind. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out here is a t-shirt. And this says it is in a men's adult large. That doesn't, well, maybe it isn't a large, but that it says the Whisperers. And so it looks like that. The next thing I am pulling out here is a Whispers pop socket. So that's really cool too. I'll actually use that, or maybe my husband will. I don't know if you can use these things on phones that have phone cases on them. I don't know. Well, I have like a pleather phone case, so I don't know if it needs the metal to suction onto or not. I've never used one of these, but that is cool. And then the next thing I am pulling out here is Lucille is thirsty. And that is a water bottle or a coffee bottle. That's kind of cool. I bet John would love to use that. And then the next thing is a Terminus lunchbox. That is cool. And my son still takes his lunch to school. I will make him use that. That's cool. I don't know if you can, just kind of has the like the map imprint on the inside. That is super cool. And then on the back it says Walking Dead supply drop. So that's cool. And then the last thing I am pulling out here. Oh, cool. This is, I think, car decals. Hold on, let me look at the back of this. Yeah, Evolution of a Walker car decal. That's cool. We've all seen the evolution of man, but what we're really here for is the evolution after death. Birth, death, and, well, we all know what happens next. That's cool. We'll definitely put that on our car. That's pretty rad. And then the last thing I am pulling out here is what looks like Topps card set. A 4-pack of exclusive Topps trading cards. I used to do this with Garbage Pail Kids. But so the first one is Alpha. And then on the back, it doesn't really give any information about Alpha. You know, like the Garbage Pail Kids used to do. It doesn't do that, but there's Alpha. And then we have Beta. And then we have, oh, and it says collect these exclusives in the app, flip for details. So there's that, and then it has details on the back, I guess. And then we have Negan. And we have the Governor. Nice. All right, that is the Walking Dead supply drop box. I am sorry for the long rant. I just wanted to let you guys know that we did have issues with customer service with this box, which is kind of disappointing. Just because in general, you know, the Walking Dead people are always really good with their fans. And so I would kind of expect the same customer service as if you would get if you went to a con. I don't know why I would think that, since they're not the same people. I feel like The Walking Dead, I feel like the cast and the people that write The Walking Dead and all of those people, I just kind of feel like their level of customer service is higher, and I expected it to be higher, and I didn't expect to run into all of the problems that we had with customer service with dealing with this box. So that kind of makes me sad, you know, being a huge fan like I am, but it is what it is. Hopefully it is smooth sailing from here on out, because I really don't want to have to cancel this box. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you enjoy this boxing. Bye.